The small cap fund is predominantly invested in the X100 sector of the market. So those stocks outside the top 100 are predominantly its universe. It can selectively invest in the mid cap sector of the market, so stocks 51 to 100. When you talk to clients about the fund, it's important to understand the diversity it does give to them. It also gives them the opportunity to invest in some nascent or early stage businesses or businesses that have got more opportunity to grow. Given their smaller size, they may have a bigger opportunity set than maybe companies in the top 20 or top 50 sector of the market. We predominantly invest in industrial stocks, so companies that have got a competitive advantage we find generally in the industrial sector. So those businesses that have got existing earnings and profit in a particular area of the economy. The investment style of Investors Mutual has been consistent since the inception of the business back in 1998. So we've always been focused on high quality businesses, looking for businesses that have recurring predictable earnings streams, and particularly in the small and mid-cap sector, focusing on high quality management teams, because the management team is really important at small and mid-cap sector, because a good acquisition or high quality investment can deliver a lot of income and a lot of opportunity and a lot of earnings growth for companies. Conversely, a poor acquisition or poor investment can destroy a lot of value. Hence, it's really important to understand the management, what motivates them, and getting close to them, understanding their modus operandi, and appraising them constantly is a really important part of the process. The valuations are a key part of our process. So every analyst will strike a valuation for each of our stocks and we'll risk assess that and appraise that valuation. Typically, we'll look at price to earnings multiples, and really it's just assigning a relevant PE for a particular stock and assessing that compared to the share price. The small and mid-cap sector of the market provides a huge range of opportunities. So it's a really diverse opportunity set. And so we're able to really curate and build a portfolio of stocks that we think are pretty resilient, have the opportunity to grow, but will also do it in a less volatile manner than the broader share market.